Glory to Jesus Christ. Glory to the God forever. So, in order to the simple website like Blogspot.com, it has the Blogger, official company of Google Incorporated. So if you want to look your website by default, not like classical or journal or whatever, chronological, whatever is by default your theme is. So in order to do that, you click on the house button, then you are inside the menu. Inside the menu, here on the right, you click on theme. It adds your theme. Then you click on point down and edit HTML. Then inside there, being there, you go to you are here. Then you must click on any part of this window, editing window, for example here, anywhere. Then you click Ctrl on your keyboard plus F. As soon as you click this, you write this word, snapshot. After writing this, you click on enter, and you click on enter till the moment you arrive, for example, on to the line 90. Probably your line will be near that 80, 82, somewhere near here. You need to find this sentence, this line. After finding this line, you see the point value. Here on the place of magazine will be written snapshot. So you remove snapshot and write whatever style you want. Journal, mini style, mini photographs, or whatever, short view, whatever you like, whatever style you like. You write the name in English. After writing this name at the place of snapshot, you click on save button. Here, save. Now you go to your blog website. You click on the main button or home, and you see every time it is being opened by default on my appreciated style magazine. So you see magazine here, magazine there. So such a manual it is. Glorify the God.